Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my channel. Students, in this video article I am going to discuss about some important points regarding the development of the respiratory system in the human body. I will tell you some pearl points that may helpful in your exams. So let's start. At number first, why the 7th month of fetus is considered as viable age of the fetus, and how the 7th month of fetus is considered as the viable age of the fetus. The answer is that at this stage the sufficient amount of the surfactant is secreted from type 1 alveolar epithelium, which prevents collapse of the lung during expiration phase. As surfactant reduces the surface tension and air is properly expired. Up to 7th prenatal month, the vascular supply increases steadily that make gas exchange capable to survive. That is why the viable age of fetus is the 7th month of the fetus. Why kidney is essential for the lung development? There is a developmental link between the lung and kidney because urine liberated from the fetal kidneys maintain the amniotic fluid volume that is necessary for the normal lung development. That is why in renal agenesis, bronchial breathing is reduced that result in the pulmonary hypoplasia. So there is the importance of kidney for the lung development. What is hyaline membrane disease? What is hyaline membrane disease or RDS, respiratory distress syndrome? The answer is that, as we know, the surfactants are necessary for preventing the collapsing of the lungs so that baby can breathe properly. But in this disease, where we have the surfactants deficient, when the surfactant is not enough, the respiratory membrane tension becomes high. This leads to great risk that alveoli will collapse during the expiration, and this condition is called respiratory distress syndrome. It is called the hyaline membrane disease because lungs are underinflated and alveoli contain a fluid with a high protein that resemble a glossy or hyaline membrane. This is the common cause of death in premature infants. The treatment of the RDS includes the administration of the artificial surfactants to the infant so that the baby can respire properly during the expiration. These are the pearl points of the development of the respiratory system. Thank you very much.